You think you know your Acura inside and out? Think again. I'm about to blow your mind with features that have been hiding in your car this whole time. Features that could have made your life easier, safer, and more convenient. And you had no idea they were there. Here's the thing. Acura doesn't advertise all of these. Some are buried in menus. Some aren't even in the manual. And some, your salesperson probably didn't know about them either. I've worked with Acuras for years, and I'm still discovering hidden tricks that make me think, why didn't anyone tell me this sooner? Today, I'm sharing 10 secret Acura features that most owners never find. From safety shortcuts to convenience hacks, these tips will change how you use your car. And the best part? You already own them. You just didn't know they existed. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to run straight to your car to try these out. Let's get started. Hidden feature number 1. Remote start from your key fob. Here's one that shocks most Acura owners. You can remote start your car without a smartphone app. That's right, your key fob already has this feature built in, and you probably never knew it. No subscription needed, no app required, just your regular key fob. Here's how it works. Press the lock button on your key fob. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button, the one with the circular arrow. Your car will start remotely and run for about 10 minutes. That's it. This works on most Acuras from 2016 onwards, including the MDX, RDX, TLX, and ILX. Some older models have it too, so check your manual. Why is this amazing? Because you can warm up or cool down your car before you get in. Cold winter morning? Start your car from inside your house. Scorching summer day? Get that AC running while you finish getting ready. And here's a bonus tip. If you want to extend the runtime, just repeat the process while the car is already running. You'll get another 10 minutes. Your car won't move until you put the key in and press the brake, so it's totally safe. This feature alone is worth hundreds if you are paying for a subscription service, but you've had it all along. Hidden feature. Number 2. Walk away. Auto lock. Ever walked away from your car and wondered, did I lock it? Then you turn around, hit the button, and feel silly because you already locked it? Here's a feature that solves that forever. Walk away auto lock. When this is turned on, your Acura will automatically lock itself when you walk away with the key fob in your pocket. No button pressing needed. And when you walk back toward the car, it unlocks automatically when you grab the door handle. Sounds like magic, but it's just smart engineering. Here's how to turn it on. Get in your car and go to Settings on your infotainment screen. Look for Vehicle Settings or Keyless Access Settings. Find Walk Away Auto Lock and toggle it on. Done. Now, as long as you have your key fob with you, your car will lock itself when you walk away. No more second guessing. No more walking back to check. This works on most newer Acuras with keyless entry, like the 2019 Plus RDX, MDX, and TLX models. And here's the best part. If you accidentally leave your key fob inside the car, it won't lock. The system is smart enough to prevent lockouts, one less thing to worry about. Hidden feature number 3. Customizable gauge cluster. Your Acura's gauge cluster isn't just for looking at your speed and gas level. It's actually customizable, and most people never change it from the default settings. Here's what you can do. On most modern Acuras with digital gauge clusters, you can press the buttons on your steering wheel to cycle through different display modes. You can show trip information, distance to empty, average MPG turn-by-turn navigation directions right in front of you, audio information, what's playing station or album art, driver assistance information, lane keeping, adaptive cruise status, tire pressure for each individual tire, and more. Here's how to customize it. Look for the Info or Customize button on your steering wheel, usually on the right side. Press it to cycle through different screens. Some models let you hold the button to access deeper customization options. Why does this matter? Because you can put the information you actually care about right in your line of sight. No more looking down at the center screen while driving. Want to see your MPG in real time to improve your fuel economy? Put it front and center, following GPS directions. Display them right above your steering wheel so you never miss a turn. It's your dashboard. Make it work for you. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring you more hidden Acura tips. Hidden feature. Number 4. Speed limit sign. Recognition. Ever been cruising along and suddenly wondered, what's the speed limit here? Your Acura already knows. Most newer Acuras have a camera that reads speed limit signs and displays them right on your dashboard or heads-up display. You'll see a little speed limit icon showing the current limit, usually in the corner of your gauge cluster or on the windshield if you have a HUD. But here's the hidden part. You can adjust the sensitivity and choose whether to show it or not. Go to Settings, then Driver Assistance Settings, and look for Traffic Sign Recognition. You can turn it on or off, and on some models, you can even set it to warn you when you're speeding. Why is this useful? Because speed limits change constantly, especially in residential areas or construction zones. This feature keeps you informed without you having to search for signs. And if you're in an unfamiliar area, it's like having a co-pilot reminding you what the limit is. Just remember, the camera isn't perfect. If a sign is covered by snow, dirt, or trees, it might not read it. Always pay attention to actual road signs, but when it works, it's incredibly helpful. Hidden feature number 5. Programmable door lock behavior. Here's something most Acura owners never touch: customizable door lock settings. Did you know you can change how and when your doors lock and unlock? Most people just accept the factory settings, but you've got options. Here's what you can customize. Auto lock when driving. Doors lock automatically when you shift out of park or reach a certain speed. Unlock on park. Doors unlock automatically when you shift into park. You can set this to unlock just the driver's door or all doors. Unlock with key off. Choose whether doors unlock when you turn off the engine. Relock timer. If you unlock the car but don't open a door within 30 seconds, it'll automatically relock. You can turn this on or off. Here's how to change these settings. Go to your infotainment screen and tap Settings. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Door/Window Setup or Keyless Access Settings. Scroll through the options and customize them however you want. For example, I like my car to unlock only the driver's door when I put it in park. That way, if I'm picking someone up in a sketchy area, the other doors stay locked until I'm ready. Or if you've got kids, you might want all doors to unlock so they can get out easily. It's your car. Set it up the way you want. Hidden feature number 6. One-touch turn signals. This one's simple but incredibly useful. You know how sometimes you just need to change lanes quickly and don't want to hold the turn signal down? Your Acura has a one-touch turn signal feature built in. Just tap the turn signal lever lightly, don't push it all the way, and it'll blink 3 times automatically. Perfect for quick lane changes on the highway. No need to hold it down or manually turn it off. Just tap and go. Most Acuras have had this feature for years, but tons of people still don't know about it. And here's the cool part. On some newer models, you can customize how many blinks you get. Go into Settings, then Vehicle Settings, and look for turn signal or lighting options. You can change it from 3 blinks to 5 blinks depending on your preference. Small feature? Yes. But once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Hidden feature. Number 7. Hidden storage compartments. Your Acura has secret storage spots you probably didn't know existed. And I'm not talking about the glove box or center console. Here are some hidden gems. Under the cargo floor, most Acura SUVs like the RDX and MDX have a hidden storage compartment under the cargo floor. Lift up the floor panel and you'll find extra space for tools, emergency supplies, or valuables. Some models even have divided sections. Center console tray. Some Acura models have a removable tray inside the center console. Pull it out, and there's more storage underneath. Perfect for hiding things you don't want in plain sight. Door pockets with dividers. Newer Acuras have door pockets with small dividers or slots designed to hold things like phones, sunglasses, or pens. Most people just toss stuff in there randomly, but the design is actually intentional. Seat back pockets. Check the back of your front seat. Some models have elastic pockets or map holders that are easy to miss. Why does this matter? Because clutter makes driving stressful. When you know where to put things, your car stays organized and you can actually find what you need. Use that hidden cargo storage for your roadside emergency kit. Keep your registration and insurance in the divided center console tray. Store your charging cables in the door pockets. Your Acura was designed with storage in mind. Use it. Hidden feature. Number 8. Automatic high beams. Driving at night and constantly flicking your high beams on and off when cars approach. Your Acura can do that for you automatically. It's called automatic high beam control, and it uses a camera to detect oncoming traffic and vehicles ahead of you. When the road is clear, your high beams turn on. When another car appears, they automatically switch back to low beams. Here's how to turn it on. Make sure your headlights are set to auto mode. Push the turn signal lever away from you, like you're turning on your high beams. Look for a green A icon with a headlight symbol on your dashboard. That means auto high beams are active. Now just drive. The system does the rest. This feature is standard on most Acuras from 2019 onwards, and it's part of the Acura Watch Safety Suite. Why is this great? Because high beams give you way better visibility at night, but most people don't use them enough because manually switching is annoying. With auto high beams, you get the safety benefit without the hassle. Just remember, this feature works best on dark roads with little traffic. In well-lit urban areas, it might not activate much, but on country roads or highways at night, it's a game changer. Hidden feature number 9. Fuel door release trick. Ever pulled up to a gas station and realized you forgot which side your fuel door is on? Here's a trick most people don't know. Look at the fuel gauge on your dashboard. See the little gas pump icon? There's a tiny arrow next to it. That arrow points to the side where your fuel door is located. Arrow pointing right, your fuel door is on the right side of the car. Arrow pointing left, it's on the left. Works on every Acura and pretty much every car made in the last 20 years. Simple, but incredibly useful when you're driving a rental or a car you're not familiar with. And here's another fuel door tip. You don't need to push a button to open it on most newer Acuras. Just press on the fuel door itself and it'll pop open. No fumbling for a release lever or button. Push to open, push to close. Easy. Hidden feature number 10. Driver memory settings. If you share your Acura with someone else, like a spouse or family member, you know the struggle. Every time you get in, the seat's in the wrong position, the mirrors are off, the steering wheel is too high or too low. Here's the solution. Driver memory settings. Your Acura can save 2 different driver profiles and automatically recall them with the press of a button. Here's how to set it up. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel exactly how you like them. Press and hold the set button on your door panel. While holding set, press either button 1 or button 2. You'll hear a beep. Your settings are now saved to that button. Have the other driver do the same, but save their settings to the opposite button. Now, whenever you get in the car, just press your button. Everything adjusts automatically. And here's the cool part. On some models, you can link these memory settings to your key fob. The car will recognize which key is being used and automatically adjust to the right driver's profile. No more fighting over seat position. No more readjusting mirrors every time you drive. Set it once and forget it. Bonus feature: voice command shortcuts. Here's one more for the road. Your Acura's voice command system can do way more than you think. Most people only use it for call mom or navigate to Starbucks, but you can actually control almost everything in your car with voice commands. Press the voice command button on your steering wheel and try these. Set temperature to 72 degrees. Turn on seat heaters. Find the nearest gas station. Play artist name on Bluetooth. What's my fuel range? Show me traffic on my route. The system is surprisingly smart, and it keeps getting better with updates. Why use voice commands? Because it's safer than fumbling with screens and buttons while driving. Keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Your Acura was built with this tech. Use it. So there you have it. 10 hidden Acura features that you probably didn't know existed, plus a bonus. These aren't just cool party tricks. They're genuinely useful features that can make your driving experience safer, more convenient, and more enjoyable. The crazy part? You've been sitting on all of this technology and nobody told you it was there. So do yourself a favor. After you finish watching this video, go out to your car and try these features. See which ones work on your model. Play around with the settings. Make your Acura work for you, because that's what these features are for. Not to sit unused, but to make your life easier. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.